Okay, what's up, guys? Make another video. Friday, January 16th. I didn't make a video yesterday because I only took a small win, but it's whatever. I mean, I probably should still made a video, but okay, fuck it. Need to practice being more consistent with that. Anyways, going into today, uh, I really did not know where we're gonna go. There was like no bullish PD race on the 4 hour. The only thing that you could say was kind of bullish was that it broke above. It broke back into this 4 hour fair value gap, as you can see, but it didn't take out these highs or nothing. So it only made like you could say like a lower high. So yeah, it was just kind of confusing to look at today. Like nothing really going on. ES, I was kind of bullish for a little bit because ES had taken out these London lows before um, New York did. So, and New York was low-key holding this price pretty well. So I was thinking it might continue on to these highs, but it did not. As you can see today, swept out a bunch of sell side liquidity. It's actually a really good move for me today. Uh, I trade continuation model. I don't think I said that in the last video, but I trade continuation models and like sometimes mech models. Well, mech model too, but that's more discretionary than anything. So yeah, man. Start out the day, no PD arrays, but as you can see, we had this 15-minute, which was on ES2. We had this 15-minute bearish for value gap that got filled, and it was going lower. But then price just started rallying back up, and then if you know a thing or two, like if you see price riding up like this, you see they're gonna like if there's like a draw on liquidity above it, it's probably gonna go and tap that. Uh, unless it's very very bearish and it doesn't want to take out this draw, and it will just dump down. But like the 15 minutes continually going back up into this fair value gap, and then like whenever I was trading this 15-minute, I could tell that 15-minute wasn't gonna hold too well. So what I did was scale down 1 minute time frame. Price was super fucking choppy, as you can see, but it did end up creating this 1 minute fair value gap, right? And I think it was around here that the 15-minute had closed above, like right here, 15-minute closed above, or it was like I don't know, I could just tell that it was gonna go and close above this 15-minute bearish for value gap. So I see 1 minute for value gap get created, and it's market open, so I'm expecting. I didn't put a lot of risk on here. It was like five minis, so half my usual eval risk, because I didn't want to get burnt for a full loss on the market open. But if you know, like market opens usually like either it goes or it doesn't. And that's exactly what it did right here. So, boom, it created this fair value gap. I got in as soon as this candle closed. I got in, hit for I think it was like $200 trade, something like that. 5 minis, 2.5 USD times 83. Do the math. But yeah, that's what I hit for. And then these are London highs, by the way. So up here, this is London high. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. This shit is just I don't know if y'all can see, but sometimes it'll just freeze on me. But anyways, so I took that winning trade. London swept, London high swept, and then this right here is London lows. At the 795.25. So I seen London swept out. I didn't want to like get into a trade and hold to any longer because the closest thing from London highs is 81 points, basically 81 points away. So that's a lot of fucking points for Friday. I don't know, I wasn't expecting this Friday to be this volatile, especially with how the pre-market was looking. Like it didn't look like it could go anywhere, to be honest. But I see price consolidating right here, just kind of sitting around this area, rejecting really hard, as you can see off these London highs. And it just starts breaking out of this range. breaks out of this range, taps into this sell side liquidity. I mean, technically you could have waited until it tapped this, and you could have gone in on this 1 minute retracement right here. Let me get rid of this for value gap. Yeah, see, it could have you could have waited to the sell side got tapped into, and regardless, you could have got an entry in because this candle exploded all the way up. That candle scared the shit out of me, by the way, because it really looked like he was just about to reverse everything. But yeah, I seen these candles breaking out, and when this candle closed, or when this candle, no, when this candle closed up here, I was like, okay, it's looking pretty good. Looking like we're gonna want to take out London lows, because that's where everything was headed. And yeah, man, I got in. Price, it had tapped into this fair value gap and went lower, but ended up tapping into it again. But the good thing, I did not put my stop break even, because my break even target was this right here. I wanted price to hit this before I went break even, you know. So I didn't go break even, which was ended up saving my ass, because right after this close right here, it pushed up into where I was at again, but like I was barely in any drawdown, and then right after that we just dumped shit the bed. Honestly, if you missed that entry, well, I don't know, if you seen that entry, you could have taken it. If you didn't, you could also taken this. Like, there's 1 minute for value gap right here. Price literally taps into OT of this 5 minute, and inverses this inverse for value gap to be a bearish for value gap again, and you could have just on this candle close put stops above the 5 minute. Could have done it even lower. I probably would have done like this candle right here, and then targeted these lows. Let me show you what that is. PM session from yesterday. PM session lows from yesterday. So yeah, man, honestly, really beautiful day. As you can see, you could even gone for, what was this? London session lows from Thursday. So like plenty of sell side liquidity today. It could have gone either way, so that's why I was really waiting for a breakout. I only took that first trade because I already explained. But yeah, man, really good trade, really good trading day. Perfect for a continuation model. I ended up passing my funded futures eval on this, so nice little way to end the week. Next week, starting on the funded. Hopefully I can bang out this because I got the flex payout, so I can really get max payout 3K. But I'll probably try to take out like $500 before anything. Just so I could be on the, so I could, because I know my funded futures, once you get a payout, your max loss limit becomes $50,100. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, man, overall a good trading day. If you traded today, good. If you did not trade today, it's whatever. I mean, honestly, I was really thinking about closing my laptop after I seen all this chop work right here, but I gave it a chance, 840, because macro obviously still hadn't hit, and it paid off, man. So yeah, thank you guys, whoever watched this shit. I'm gonna keep posting more videos as often as I can. I'm just really just doing this for myself. Like, I like explaining. I want to record videos and show my thought process behind all of my trades. That way in the future, because I'm also documenting this, record, like journaling and all this stuff. But like having if I wanted to go back at certain time and see what I did that day, I could see. Only real issue I'm having right now is probably just getting used to the bigger contract sizes, because 10 minis feels like a fucking lot, because I'm really used to trading 3 to 4 minis. And if 5 minis, every tick is 2.5. So that you could do the math on here. I did 10 minis on this trade right here. 192 192 ticks times 5. You could do the math on that. So good amount. With the $200 that I made from this first trade and then this trade, I was at 52,000 yesterday, and now I'm at 53k, 53,100. So eval passed. Probably go back, and my trading plan right now is just going down in size. When I start my actual life funded, probably do like 5 minis, get to like $1,500, and then start doing like 10, not 5 minis, 5 micros, and then probably do 10 micros after that, or 1 mini. I don't, either one is the same thing. So yeah, guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.